Now we move into the world of IB schools, and ibschooljobs.com is a very useful website for looking for jobs exclusively in the world of the International Baccalaureate. This is their homepage. Obviously some good testimonials, the people they partner with, their contact email, some of their other services. What I find quite odd is that the jobs tab is all the way down at the end. So let's click on that. And have a look at some of the jobs that are available. You'll notice the jobs are sorted on the left-hand side by subject or other position. I prefer drop-down boxes just for the visual effects, but that could be a personal thing. So a lot of the jobs are actually in North America, but there are jobs advertised across the world in the IB sector. Okay, so we could look at the first one. This is United World Colleges, United States. And UWC have schools around the world and specialize in IB programs, particularly at the top end. Some of their schools may have bespoke programs for pre-IB, some may use IGCSE. Often they will have PYP and MYP programs too. So we have a nice description of the school and of the position they're looking for a Spanish teacher. What your responsibilities are, so effectively a job description as a Spanish teacher and as a teacher for UWC. And one thing which is good, you apply directly to the school. So here we have the details, we have the email of who to send your resume and your references to. And of course the letter of interest is always important. And make it specific to the school. You know what the school is. This is one of those websites where they make it clear where you're applying. So do some background reading, do some due diligence, and write your letter tailored at the mission and vision of UWC. It's unlikely UWC, being such a huge organization and well established, are going to look at people who don't take the time to make their letter specific to who they are. Please, if you use this website, use their reference. This is the only way that the manager of the website can be recognized by the school as the referring agent. Now, someone puts a lot of time and effort into this, and they're not likely to get any form of income if people don't use the reference system to promote the fact that they came across the job through this particular website. You can register your CV with their service so that schools have the ability then to come to you, which is useful. So maybe worth adding your CV if you're actively seeking work. They offer other services in professional development, consultancy, and they have a recruiting and screening process. It's good that agents do carry out these processes to ensure that all children in schools are safeguarded and that child protection is at the top of their agenda. Safe and happy children is essential in our world of international education. Schools must also do the same due diligence on candidates, and they can't pass the responsibility to an agent, but if there's a double screening process, then all the better, because it means children are more likely to be safe. Some more information about ibschooljobs.com. You can see here that candidates don't pay anything for using this service. The cost is passed on to the schools, and for schools in the IB sector using this website, it's much better value to pay the $695 per annum than to pay for the adverts pay as you go. Okay, so that's what they do. Testimonials is never worth checking. They're always good. Of course, they're going to be advertising their own site, but I can see that it's a very easy to use website. It's extensive in the jobs available, covering not just North America, but also a global reach. So I would say if you're looking for a job as a PYP, MYP, or IBDB teacher, it's worth considering looking on ibschooljobs.com. If you found this video informative or helpful, then please like it. Also, subscribe to our channel, International Education Today, on YouTube. That way you'll get notifications of any future content that we upload. Those notifications come through YouTube, and you don't get an email from us. We don't want to spam you. We just want you to be aware of our service. And also, please use the comment box. In the comment box at the bottom of this video, you can comment upon the video itself, any experience you've had with ibschooljobs.com, whether positive or negative, whether you agree with what I've said or you wish to correct me. I'm happy to be corrected. And it could be a good place to promote discussion with teachers working in the IB platform.